Welcome back to another edition of Quick Bites. Hy-vee dietitian Katie George joining us once again. What do you have here?
Well, it's kind of an I'm not crying, you're crying type.
Yeah, there's some onions.
We got some onions going on here. That's all right. It's very potent and flavorful around here. Another super easy recipe. So again, like minimal ingredients, but healthy. And that's always my showcase. So coming up Monday, September 25th, National Quesadilla Day. Do you love yourself
celebrate. Yeah.
Do you love yourself a good quesadilla?
Oh, of course.
Love myself a good quesadilla. So easy. And so we're going to kind of add a little bit of a twist to it. You don't have to make it taco-y by any means. We're making a barbecue chicken quesadilla, and we're using some great wholesome ingredients. So we're going to first start off with whole wheat tortillas. And I know sometimes there is a little bit of a negative stigma around whole wheat, like, oh, it doesn't taste good.
Yeah.
And I really enjoy these Mission ones simply because they are soft, they taste great, there is good fiber in it, and some of the other ones can be a little rubbery, maybe I will say.
Yeah.
So I love the Mission whole wheat tortilla. So if you're looking for a good soft tortilla with a little bit more bang for its buck, the Mission tortillas would be what I would do.
Okay.
We are using leftover chicken, so I am huge on prepping early, utilizing later. So this is just some leftover pulled chicken that's in your fridge, and you're like, what am I going to do with that? We're making dinner tonight.
Yep.
The other thing that I am going to showcase today, you know, a lot of the patients that I work with are on a special diet maybe. They're looking for certain things, and this right here, G. Hughes barbecue sauce, is actually a sugar-free / low carbohydrate barbecue sauce. And that doesn't happen with barbecue sauce very often. So if somebody is watching their carbohydrate intake, if they are diabetic, all of the G. Hughes barbecue sauces, I give a thumbs up to. They have so many different varieties. And today we are using Sweet Honey G. Hughes sauce, and we're just gonna toss that with our chicken.
Okay.
So I'm a barbecue fan. That's probably one of my favorite foods, is just anything with barbecue. So I love this.
It almost has a syrupy texture.
Yes. And then you don't feel bad if you need a little extra for dipping, right?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so we're just gonna mix that, coat the chicken, and traditionally a quesadilla is done on like a griddle or some sort of oven. We are just gonna prep it here, cook it later. So with that quesadilla, how do you make your quesadillas? Are you a flipper, or are you two tortillas, one on top, one on bottom?
I'm a flipper.
You're a flipper. We kind of do that too. Yeah. All right, so on half of this is going to be your chicken. And again, it's mixed and tossed with that barbecue sauce. If you like it a little extra saucy, what I would say is just add a drizzle over that chicken. And then barbecue chicken, anything, goes really great with red onions, which is what we are smelling. And I'm sure you can smell it through the TV.
Yeah.
Too. It's about that strong. So we're just going to sprinkle on a little bit of red onion. Red onions do just tend to be a little bit sweeter, so it does pair very nicely with that. If you want to add cilantro, that would be great. And then we would traditionally top this with a little bit of shredded cheese. Where's our shredded cheese? Who knows? But traditionally, you would put a little shredded cheese on it, fold this over, and then use it in a griddle or a stovetop or a black stone, and just like 1 minute on each side, enough to melt the cheese. The chicken's already cooked. So again, quick bites, meal in under 5 minutes.
Yeah. Is there any cheese you recommend?
So I would do a white cheese. Pairs best with barbecue chicken. So a mozzarella cheese would pair best with the barbecue chicken quesadilla. But you know, sometimes it's well, this is what I got. So, but the white cheese is kind of what the flavor panel goes best together. So, and again, make a bunch of these early, reheat them, and just use what you got for leftovers. But I would highly recommend this G. Hughes barbecue sauce if you are watching carbohydrate intake.
Yeah, we talk about the onion smelling, but that smells good.
Yes, it definitely smells amazing.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes.
We'll be right back.